how to create a blog in Google Sites 2025 step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a blog in Google Sites. So let me give you a small introduction of Google Sites blogging. And in 2025 Google Site is still one of the easiest way to create a free blog, especially if you want something simple, clean and connected to your Google account. It's perfect for students, hobbyists, freelancers, or even business looking for a basic blog without hosting or coding. Let's walk through the entire setup, design, and publishing process step by step. So, first of all, you need to go to the Chrome browser or any web browser you're using, and you just have to search for sites.google.com. And after clicking enter, you can see the uh, dashboard of the Google Sites. So you have to click the plus blank site button to start a new site, and you'll land in the Google Sites editor, a drag and drop interface. So first of all, we have to give our site a title like my travel blog, and or you can also give like fitness with Alex or anything. At the top left, you have to click on untitled site, and give our blog a proper name. It helps organize our dashboard. So let's uh, say travel blog here, and it will help organize our dashboard. And after that, uh, uh, we have to create the home page. So to create the home page is where your readers will land first. So we have to click on the title area to edit our main header. Like welcome to my vlog. So we have to search for title area, welcome to my blog, text box, and say welcome to my blog. And after that, you have to add a short intro using a text box. Let's and drag it on the image or logo if you'd like. We can also drag it the logo or on the image if you want. We can drag it, and on the right hand sidebar we can use the layouts. As you can see, sections to add structured blocks. We can use the layout section to use structured blocks, or insert buttons like read my blog or about me. So here, as you can see, there is multiple buttons here. So after that, you can also change the header type, title only, banner, or larger banner. Hey guys, and let's see. Once Google Sites doesn't have a traditional blog post format, we'll use pages to each blog entry. So first of all, you have to go to the pages tab and click on plus to create new page, and we have to name it something like uh, 5 tips you must know before traveling. And we have to click on the done button, and this is the next page. And after that, we have to customize that page like a mini blog post. So we have to like header, this is already the header is 5 tips you must know before the traveling. As you can see, it's already here. for traveling. And you can insert text content. We can insert a text here. You must know these facts are reality checks, let's say this. And we can also add images, YouTube videos, or Google Drive docs, and repeat this for every new blog post you want to create. You can upload an image here, let's say an image like this one. You can just add the image here like this one, and you can repeat this for every new blog post. And after that, we have to organize the blog posts. To organize all our posts in one place, we have to create a new page called blog. So we have to create a new page, let's see, called blog. And the page, we have to use a layout with images and titles. So and give it a name like blog, and we have to use a layout with images and titles. So let's say the title is mm, essentials, and let's add an image here. Let's give this image here. And after that, you have to manually link each image and text block to the corresponding blog post page, as you have already seen. And this becomes your blog index, like a table or contents. You can now also insert a table or button script with links to blog post. You can also add some links here, like if you click on social links, you can, like youtube.com, and you can say twitter.com, and after that, as you can see, facebook.com. You can insert these links here. You can see, you can just drag the links from here also. Okay, that will how your blog post will look. And you can add a navigation menu at the top. Your navigations will help users to browse, as you can see the navigations. So set, you can set it to the top or side navigation in settings. Navigation, you can also use the side. As you can see, if you click on side, three dot appears and it will come like this. And if you click on top, all the buttons are here. So let's go with the side option. And you can also reorder pages by dragging them in the page tab, and hide or show pages in the navigation if needed. This helps your site clean and easy to browse. And you can also customize the blog design, like click on themes, and you can just change the blog design. As you can see, impression, let's see, the blog designs are changing. You can also add some custom themes from here, and you can change color palettes as I have already shown you. You can set font styles, title header, simple, Aristotle. You can also select font style from here, like classic or bold. And you can also customize background color for sections. While Google Sites is limited in design freedom, it's perfect for clean, distraction free blogging. So now we have to embed media and interactive elements. So on any blog post page, you can just click insert, let's say on the other page. We'll just do it on the other page. You must know page, this page. We have to click on insert, and after that You can choose images or GIF. So here you can choose images, select images. You can also add some GIFs here, as you can see, also GIFs here. And you can also add YouTube videos, great for vlogs. You can share you can add Google Docs or Sheets to share templates. You can also add maps for travel vlogs, and you can drag and resize any elements. So I have already shown you how you can drag and resize. So that's how you can do it. And it will make your content more dynamic and visual. And for SEO and page setting, you have to click the three dots on any page, and you have to see for add a custom page title for SEO. After coming to three dots, version studio, make a copy, help. Add a custom page title for SEO and set the URL slug and write a short description for each engines. In settings, you can also add a custom favicon, like custom favicon, connect a Google Analytics ID to track visitors, and you can also enable announcement banner for special updates. As you can see, you can just click on show banners and change the banner colors. You can write the announcements as messages, button label, and provide a link also. And after that, you can preview and publish your blog. So after that, as you can see, you can preview all the pages you've built, and you can just publish your blog. And you can also see how it will look on in each devices, like it's the desktop version, large screen, and for the tablet it will look like this. If you click on that, look like this. And if you're on mobile, you can see this is how it looks. And when you're ready, you can click cross and click on publish web address, like that's to view, and set a custom address like sites.google.com/view. Let's see, just copy this view, and then says say we can say travel, with only lowercase letters, numbers and dashes, please. Travel. You can say set it like sites.google.com, and then give /view /travel blog travel blog. And you can just travel blog, and you can just set any of the blog name and choose if the site is public or restricted. Request public search engines not to display my site, and click on that. And you can also connect a custom domain if you want to use existing domain, and you have to just click on connect domain and write your domain name here. And after that, you can update and manage your blog. Whenever you want to add a new post, you can just come to this page and add another page, and just edit your page as I've shown you already, and write your content and update the blog page index. You can also duplicate old posts, reuse layouts, share edit access with team members, use version history or revert changes. your site auto saves, and so changes are safe as you build. So let me give you some bonus tips. You can use Google Forms for comments or newsletter signups. You can schedule regular updates to keep your blog active. You can aim Google Calendar for event or content scheduling. You can link your blog to a YouTube channel if you blog, and you can back up your content to Google Drive for peace of mind. So that's all for this video. Hope this video is informative to you. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next video.